Since 5 generation entered the second half, the industry consensus this year is the first year of 5 generation minus a commercial use. 5 generation minus A, the full name is 5 generation advanced, which is the 5 generation enhanced technology. Compared to 5 generation minus A will improve by 10 times the rate, efficiency, and delay. 5 generation minus A is the expansion and enhancement of 5 generation, aiming at the ubiquitous 10 trillion and 100 billion connectivity capabilities. The commercialization of 5 generation minus A will not only bring the comprehensive upgrading of the communication industry chain, but also drive the rapid development of digitalization of various industries. XR, Internet of Things, and low-altitude economy are expected to usher in a critical period of development and maturity, with the accelerated commercialization of 5 generation minus A. 5 generation minus A support breeds rich application scenarios. More significantly, 5 generation minus A, as a new national infrastructure, can lay the foundation for 6 generation leadership. According to the International Telecommunication Union, proposed 6 typical scenarios and 21 key technology directions of 6 generation. Most of the technology directions are the same as the 5 generation minus A industry and technology direction. Today, technically, 5 generation minus A key technologies have been verified in the networks of many operators around the world, and the verification results are in line with expectations. For example, in China, IMT 2020 led Huawei and other equipment vendors to complete the series of 5 generation minus A technology tests. Ecologically, a number of mainstream chip manufacturers in the industry have launched 5 generation minus A hardware-ready chips, and 5 generation minus A terminals in CPE forms are also mature, and the naked eye 3D and XR high and low terminals that cross the experience and ecological inflection point are complete. Industry insiders further analyze that the generation and scale application of any new technology need a long time of incubation. The development of 5 generation minus A can cultivate 6 generation related industrial elements such as terminal, spectrum, business, etc., so as to make a good industrial reserve for the landing of 6 generation and further consolidate its dominant position in the information and communication industry. WiMi is accelerating the layout of the 5 generation minus A industrial chain. Data show that AR company WiMi Hologram Cloud has promoted the deep integration of 5 generation and AR/VR, AD video, big data, cloud computing, meta universe, and other technologies in recent years, constantly promoting 5 generation application innovation, giving birth to new audiovisual, naked eye 3D, and many other new business forms and new experiences. Now, the arrival of 5 generation minus A is at the critical moment of connecting the past and the future. It will not only bring the comprehensive upgrading of the communication industry chain, but also drive the rapid development of digitalization in various industries. For this, WiMi attaches great importance to the 5 generation minus A commercial plan, and actively opens up a new path of transformation and upgrading. In order to seize the opportunity of 5 generation minus A, WiMi accelerates the layout and comprehensively focuses on 5 generation minus A to help the industrial upgrading. The company actively plans 5 generation minus A, continues to invest in the construction of 5 generation minus A business model, improves 5 generation minus A infrastructure, strengthens 5 generation minus A industry ecology, completes the integration of common sense XR, holographic communication, and other technologies, gradually carry out laboratory verification and field pilot, realize one network and multiple energy, and strive to improve the value of 5 generation minus A commercial network combined with application. What needs to be paid attention to is that AR and AI are the hot topics of science and technology development in the world, and major enterprises are trying to join the development wave of AR and AI. WiMi actively grasps the trend of the era of AI plus AR, promotes the extension of 5 generation minus A plus to AI plus AR, and opens up a new path of transformation and upgrading. It is reported that WiMi and AI model will change the existing way of production and life, make 5 generation minus A and AI plus AR technology, make power resources become within reach, creating AIGC, brain-computer interface, robot, and other new mode and new kinetic energy. Hatch 5 generation minus A plus new quality productivity will be the manufacturing digital, network, intelligent play an important role. To sum up, as a representative connection technology, 5 generation minus A is a necessary stage of 5 generation development, which defines new goals for the subsequent development of 6 generation. There is no doubt that from 5 generation network construction to 5 generation minus A commercial, new spectrum, new business, and new industrial innovation will build differentiated competitiveness. Governments and enterprises of all countries are also actively formulating 5 generation minus A related policies, and 6 GHz verification has been carried out in many places. Facing the future development prospects of 5 generation minus A commercial use, we believe that the firm support for 5 generation minus A construction, promoting the scale deployment of 5 generation minus A, will open a beautiful new chapter with the concept of opening up and cooperation.